Exploring the beat, understanding drum kit in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating term in the English language, drum kit. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what a drum kit is and how it's used in conversations. So, let's get started and explore the rhythm of language. A drum kit, also known as a drum set, is a collection of drums and other percussion instruments that are typically played by a single person in a band or music ensemble. It usually includes a snare drum, bass drum, toms, hi-hat, and cymbals. Each component of the drum kit has a unique sound and role in creating rhythms. Drum kits are essential in various music genres, from rock and jazz to pop and blues. In this section, we'll take a closer look at the main components of a drum kit. 1. Snare drum. Known for its sharp, crisp sound, the snare is often considered the heart of a drum kit. 2. Bass drum. Played using a foot pedal, it produces a deep, low sound and forms the basic beat. 3. Toms. These drums vary in size and pitch, adding depth to the rhythm. 4. Hi-hat. Consisting of two cymbals mounted on a stand, it's controlled by a foot pedal and used for rhythm and accent. 5. Cymbals. They add texture and accent to the music and include varieties like crash, ride, and splash. A drum kit isn't just a set of instruments, it's the backbone of a band's rhythm section. The drummer coordinates with other musicians to provide the tempo, rhythm, and sometimes the leading beats of a song. Understanding the role of a drum kit can enhance your appreciation for different music styles and the skill of drummers. Apart from its musical context, the term drum kit can be used metaphorically. For example, someone might say, "He plays his thoughts like a drum kit," suggesting that the person expresses their thoughts rhythmically or with noticeable variation. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a drum kit is and how it's used both in music and language. Whether you're discussing music or encountering this term in different contexts, you now have the knowledge to appreciate and understand its significance. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English phrases.